I am OJ Simafranca and I welcome all of you to the groundbreaking ceremony of Cebu Landmaster's 5th development here in Bacolod, Casa Mira Towers Bacolod.
Since we landed here on your shores in 2017, we've launched not just one project, already our 5th in a span of 5 years. We're very proud that we've launched over that 1,000 homes in Granada with Casa Mira and Belmiro, and they're actually ahead of schedule. And now, we're bringing to you our best-selling brand, already in Cebu, Mandaue, Cagayan de Oro, Iloilo, Ormoc, and of course here in Bacolod, one of our best city here in the Visayas.
We would like to be a very active citizen and partner of Bacolod City as we move to more projects, not just vertically but horizontally. Maraming salamat po. Daghang salamat.
We want to see Bacolod back to business. We want to be back on track. And Joe, thank you for making it so for Bacolod. Thank you for this. For me, the groundbreaking is a new dawn for Bacolod. Thank you, Joe, for bringing back sunshine in Bacolod. So henceforth, where we are concerned in Bacolod, we will call you Sunshine Joe. Thank you very much and good luck.
We're just happy and blessed that after 2 years of pandemic, confidence is back. Recovery is already happening because your city is strong and beautiful. Welcome. Good evening.
Thank you very much.
Occasions like this are meant to be, where we as the host, the developer of this project, Casa Mira Towers Bacolod, is sharing it with you who are making this possible for us. And you are the people behind that means so much to us. I put a little emotion to this, but in all honesty, I'm just so happy I make it possible here, right here in Bacolod.